everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to add recovery email in Gmail. So to do that, just head over to your Gmail and then head over to your account on the top right. Go to manage your Google account. And in here, just tap on the search icon and search for recovery email. And you'll find it in the security option. And they're going to verify you by tapping your password. And here you can just give your email and add it by verifying with your recovery email. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.